How to add underline in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add underline in Figma step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then click on the text tool from the toolbar or just press T on a keyboard. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. Now select the text or highlight the part you want to underline. At the top, click U icon to underline your text, or simply press Ctrl+U on Windows or Command+U on Mac. And that's it. This is how you underline your text on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.